Hello, how are you guys doing today? Welcome back. Welcome to my channel, The Star Angel Tarot. For those who haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. I really appreciate it. For my subscribers, thank you guys for keep tuning in to any of my readings. I love you guys. I miss you all. So this reading is about this person still can't get over you, still thinking about you heavily. So we have here the Devil. Okay, Queen of Wands and Eight of Cups. Guys, this is timeless collective reading. Just take what's yours. If not, then leave the rest to others. Please don't be bitter here in my YouTube channel or any of my readings. Please bear with me. English is not my um, primary language. I'm sorry, guys. So again, guys, this person still can't get over you. It could be a person, again, friendship, relationship, or work related. I'm also getting like a boss. Maybe your boss still thinking about you and hoping for you to come back. But then you have enough. To some of you here, you have enough, and you choose to live happily, loving yourself. You have this realization, and you're done. You are totally done. Maybe sometime you might be thinking about this person, because I'm getting like very specific here. Someone here, to some of you here, might be still somehow is thinking about this person, thinking about the past, thinking about this situation heavily, and because I'm getting like the reason that why you are thinking heavily about this person, and it could be because this person is still thinking about you. It's like spiritually or energetically you are sensing this person, and that's why you are thinking about this person. To some of you, you are stay grounded. Yes, I'm getting like stay grounded, guys. You don't have to listen to this person. If this person is trying to reach out, because I'm getting like this person might be planning to reach out on you, and stay grounded and protect yourself. Yes, it's best to focus on the future. Do not focus from the past. Yeah, keep fighting. Fight this battle. Fight this feeling. Because to some of you, you did well. You did right. You choose to love yourself. You choose your career. You choose your happiness. You choose what's best for the future, and you did well. I'm proud of you. And to some of you, might be still feeling like in control. 100% still can't get over about this person. Somehow you are in control by this person. Whoever this person bothers you lately, like again, this is mixed. I'm getting like coworker, a boss, or a situation like you're feeling like this situation that you are thinking right now might be draining your energy. I think you have to distract yourself in order for you to not thinking about the situation. Yeah, think about something that what is your passion. So guys, sorry for this sound. I do the laundry, so you might hear the noise here. Anyway, yes, this person might going to contact you, ask you how you doing. This person miss you, and like again, guys, ground yourself about this person or the situation. um, Choose your happiness, vision yourself. What do you want to be in the future? Can you able to see this person in the future or being with you? If you don't see this person together in the for the future or in the future, then don't waste your time to spend time with this person who doesn't um, give you your needs. Yes, because I'm getting like for some reason this person might be like taking advantage of your kindness. Someone here is truly amazing, kind, loving, and yeah, happy go lucky, maybe joker. Yeah, you always bring happiness, and you always bring good news to this person. Maybe that's why this person still can't get over you, because of your opportunity, because of your personality. Yes, like to some of you might be this person might be like controlling. Yeah, it's like dimming your happiness, dimming your light, and this is not what you want. This is not what you need. whatever this person intention, follow your instinct. You know what to do. You know how, you can feel it, you can sense it. To some of you, I'm so proud of you because I already saw that you guys already moved on. You choose your happiness. You already found the true happiness that you desire. Like again, try to distract yourself. Use your power. Yes, still holding on to this things that makes you happy, that encourage you. You guys are truly amazing, beautiful. You are guided. Keep going. Choose your happiness. Yes, because there's more positivity lies ahead in front of you. To some of you, like again, do not get blinded about this person. You sense it, you can feel it. Whatever this person do, whatever the situation bothers you, you have been feeling drained about the situation. Distract yourself. Focus on something that makes you happy. Use your talent. You guys are very creative. You are beautiful. A lot of people are drawn into your, I don't know, I'm hearing like success. You might be successful person. I'm getting like, it could be a friends here or envy, jealous. That's why they're trying to control you. But hey, you are uncontrollable. You hold the power, you hold the success, you hold your own happiness. You choose your happiness. Yeah. Like again, guys, be careful because I'm getting like somebody from the past might trying to reach out, get back to you because this person still can't get over you and this person terribly missing you, and you might, yes, you might getting this person's energy. So let's find out about this person. What is this person truly intention towards you? Spirit guide angels, what is this person truly intention? Okay, this could be a father, like again, childhood friend, an ex. Yes, this person missing your being like a childish, happy, a good parenting. Yes, a good relationship. This person wants to get back to you big time. This person missing your being loyal, your loyalty. Yes, you guys are doing well rather than this person. This person looks very stressful right now. Maybe this person is like I don't know, like in a karma. It's like their guides is like pushing them to change, to becoming a better person. Yeah. You do well. You are, most of you here, you're like a queen. Queen of Cups, Queen of Pentacles. Yes, you choose your happiness. You are desirable. A lot of people or very specific, this person really still into you, desiring you, wanting to be a partner forever. Maybe want to offer you marriage, but it's already too late because you guys already moved on. Most of you here. Like again, if somehow you you are thinking about this person or this situation heavily, it's just like this person still can't get over you, missing your loyalty, the past. And that right now this person is like in a verge of transition, changing. The universe is trying to change this person, have this realization, at least to apology. Yeah, to apologize towards you. But I think you guys already knew. You know, you can feel, you can sense what this person want. Maybe because the cycle is just like the pattern, you know, it's keep repeatedly itself. And you had enough. You have so much pain. This person or this situation caused you so much pain. Disappointment. Yeah. To some of you this might be a father or a mother of your child, your children. And to some of you might be, like again guys, You are, okay, this person still can get over you because you are evolving. You already found your happiness, and this person saw it. Maybe this person's spying on you. You are, you look more at, yeah, you guys look more attractive than before. Yeah, to some of you here, you have changed a lot, and this person noticed it. Yes, this person seen it. That you finally found your happiness, that you finally moved on, you finally get over it. But this person is still hunting them. They're being hunted by their guilt. They're being hunted by the from the past, whatever this person done wrong. Like again, this person is into like awakening. Awakening of their mistakes. Awakening into like a spirituality that they have to change, they have to evolve because you guys already evolved. And that's the reason why you don't want to get back to this person. Because this person's very controlling. Yeah, selfish. And again, guys, congratulations for those already move on, already found their happiness. Yeah. Okay, let's find out more. So that's their intention, guys. This person might want to get back to you, want to reconcile about, yeah, you want to reconcile. Yes, and maybe this person's something about like manifesting. Yeah, this person's manifesting you. It's just like this person's constantly thinking about the situation from the past, and that's why you are thinking about this person suddenly. Yeah, because you are sensing this person's energy. Okay, so let's get the person's okay, who is this person, the zodiac sign? Let's confirm, spirit guide angels. Who is this person constantly still addicted to our viewers collective? Okay, this person's still like facing addiction. That's why the universe is helping this person to change, and you guys already moved on. Scorpio. Okay, number 4 and 2. Maybe this person's from February. We have here Capricorn. Maybe this person's around 50 plus to some of you here. It could be this person that you are dealing right now still can't get over you. Okay. And Pisces. Gemini. Again, we have here a secret admirer. This person can't get over you because you might not talking about this person. You are ignoring this person. You don't know that this person have feelings about you or obsessed. Yeah, who's into you. This person daydreaming to marry you. That you are the one, but then maybe you're not interested about this person, and that's why you already you're not talking to this person. Yeah, to some of you here. Number 12 could be December. Okay, 4 April. Yeah, yeah, you could be dealing with a person. He could be a Taurus. Yeah, it could be Taurus. Like again, guys, we have here 50 plus. Sometimes this could be a person or this could be you watching here around 50 plus. We have here Pisces. We have a secret admirer here. Is into who's into you, but you don't know. You don't talk to this person. No communication. And to some of you are dealing from the past, and you already move on. Yes, you're not interested to this person anymore. But this person still longing for you, manifesting you to get back, to listen. I don't know, but you guys already knew what to do regarding about this person. So we have here, yes, Scorpio, Gemini. We have here April. Yeah, April or February. This could be you or the person that you are dealing right now. So let's get advice from the universe. Spirit guardians, what is your advice before our reading ends? Okay, wow, new partner. Yes, you already move on from this person because you already have a new partnership, new friendship, new relationship. So we have here new partner. A chance meeting is no mistake. It is divinely orchestrated as a catalyst to set the wheels in motions for flotation of your prayers. Pay careful attention to new people we send into your life. You will recognize them by your sense of familiarity, comfort, and safety. So yes, congratulations guys. Follow your instinct, follow your happiness, because again guys, you can sense it, you can feel it, this new person. Enjoy being loved because you deserve this. Enjoy being appreciated because you deserve this. You did nothing wrong. You gave all you can. And you don't have to worry about the past, because the future is better than the past for you. And congratulations, because you deserve this new partner. Yes. And thank you guys for this for keep tuning in. I do hope you guys enjoy this reading. I love you guys, and thank you, and I do hope you already subscribed to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in my next reading. I love you and God bless.